I'm broke. I'm poor. I can't afford this Durango no more. Let's have a reaction. Oh yeah. Well, as you know, I'm in the Durango Hellcat right now, and I can't afford it. I can no longer afford this expensive, overpriced, gas-drinking, loud, fast monster anymore. It's too expensive to own. I gotta get rid of it. I gotta let it go. It hurts, but I gotta make a business decision. What's best for me, I gotta downgrade my life. I'm just playing, but this is my last drive in the Durango Hellcat. I'm getting rid of it. I'm getting something else. It's time for the Durango Hellcat to go to somebody else, another family member, another guy, another gal. But it's gonna definitely be leaving me. It's got to go, because I don't want it no more. It was fun while it lasted. And hell, I didn't even really get to drive it, to tell you the truth. It's sitting in my garage most of the time, man, and I love the Durango. Don't get it twisted. I don't want y'all to think, oh, man, you said the Durango was the best thing, smoking, and now you're getting rid of it. Yes, I'm getting rid of it because I can't no longer be a hypocrite. Remember when I told y'all, get you something that you can afford. Now, I can afford this Durango easily, but that don't mean you should get it. I said it's time to downgrade. Get me a used car that's affordable, but nice at the same time. I got to show y'all that you can get a beautiful car for an affordable price and be able to drive around with pride. You don't got to get the new. You ain't got to roll with everybody. You ain't got to follow the Joneses. Well, today, I'm going to get rid of the car, but I ain't going to show y'all. The Durango is leaving. Now, I know a lot of y'all saying, T-Light, what was the deal? Was the Durango not any good? Man, this Durango was sweet to me. It was a great vehicle. I said it is a great vehicle, and somebody going to love it, man. It's only got 18,623 miles. It's fully loaded. It's got the TVs. It's got the red guts, as you can see. Got the moon roof. It's got the big boy screen in it. It's got everything you could want in an SUV. It's loud, as you can hear. I know you hear it. You probably can't hear it because I got that top-notch mic, so it's probably too loud for you to hear it, but I know you hear that. It got pops and burbles and all that good stuff. It's got everything you can need in an SUV. And if I would tell somebody not to get one of these, I'd be lying. If you can afford to get a Hellcat Durango, you better get one. You don't know what you're missing. This the king of SUVs. Well, the Trackhawk. Nah, the Trackhawk can as fast. It is as fast as this Durango, but the Trackhawk does not have, as you can see, 3 rows. It's got 3 rows on this Durango Hellcat. Better, it's more nicer inside. It's more luxurious. You can do more things. It's more utilitarian. It's just a better overall SUV. Now, is the Trackhawk slightly faster? I would have to say, yeah, because this SUV is much heavier than the Trackhawk. So, of course, the Trackhawk is going to be a little bit faster, not by much. I'm pretty sure if you delete these seats, probably run about the same speed. But if you delete the seats in the Trackhawk, it'll probably be a little bit faster. But overall, I think this is the best SUV, best looking SUV. I know a lot of y'all going to say, it don't look better than no Trackhawk. It look like a school bus, G-Light. If it looked like a school bus, it looked like the best school bus on the planet. Yeah, I love the Durango Hellcat. It's super fast. You hear that? You can do what you want to do when you want to do it. And I ain't even in sports mode. I'm just playing on the gas. It's got the jerk to it. You see, he's got all that. All the cool stuff. And this ain't no car, it's an SUV making all these loud sounds and moving like this. This car goes 0 to 60 in, I think, between 3.3 and 3.5 seconds. An SUV going that fast is insane. When I was a kid, I could never, ever imagine an SUV moving like this. I never thought something like this was even possible when I was a kid. But I ain't a kid no more, as you can tell. That's why when you see these in police chases, when I make the police chase videos and you see the Durango Hellcats outrunning police easily And these things got good body roll. They got good stability, good control. For an SUV, it don't got a lot of body roll. You would be surprised at how this thing handles turns. For an SUV this heavy, it handles the turns quite well. I got to give credit when credit is due. It's a monster. You hear it? I'm trying to let y'all hear it, you know. I'm on the highway. The semi don't want to let me get past. He hating. He hating with your nasty ass. I'm a semi driver too. You can let me through. You. I ain't even gonna call you what I want to call you, mustard bastard. But yeah, I'm finna get in. I'm finna get in the hammer lane. I'm playing. But yeah, like I said, I don't gotta get rid of it. I am getting rid of it because I want something else. And I'm not gonna say I'm tired of the Mopar and the Hellcat thing, but I done done it so much. I gotta try something else. I done the Hellcats and all that. I did it. If I didn't do it, somebody lying. You know, y'all know I did it. The real werewolves have been following me since day one. You know I did it. I did it big. I am a true, cold-blooded, hot-blooded Moparian through and through. Yeah, I'm definitely one of the realest Moparians that's ever lived. I did it all, but I got to try something different. I got to go a different route, and y'all definitely gonna love it when y'all see what I get. But you won't see it in this video, but you will see it in the next video. I just can't afford this no more, you know? I'm gonna go with the narrative. They gonna say it's gonna be people that T-Light poor. He was fronting. He couldn't afford that. He couldn't afford that Durango. That's why he getting rid of it. You right. I couldn't afford it, man. I'm broke, man. I can't afford no SUV like this. I don't know why I was high side, and I don't know why I was fronting like I had that money, you know? Yeah. But yeah, I can't afford this SUV, man. I'm out here acting like I got it like that. I ain't got it like that. That's why I'm downgrading. I got to stick to the story because I know it's gonna be people in the comments saying I can't afford it. Well, I can't afford it. I'm just gonna say I can't afford it. Since y'all gonna say I can't afford it, I can't afford it. Yeah, it's too much money, so I'm downgrading so I can save some money. The object is to save money, ain't it? But no, I don't have to downgrade, but I want to try something new, man. I mean, I did the Mopar thing. I got to try something new, but like I said, no salt, no shade, no hate, no dookie on the name of Moparians. They are still the #1 cars in my book. Ain't nothing like a Hellcat on this planet. That's why they get all the oohs and the ahs. You know? If you got a Hellcat, you definitely gonna get the oohs and ahs. You definitely gonna get people looking at you. It's worth every penny. Even though they super overpriced, it's worth every penny. The smiles per smiles per mile. You know what I'm saying? You see that? You hear it? Loud boy. Get you a muffler to delete and go crazy. But yeah. So if you're wondering why I'm getting rid of the Hellcat, like I said, I ain't got no money like that, man. I'm poor, man. I'm about to get me a Prius. I'm about to get me a Prius. Because I can't afford this no more. But, so yeah, I'm just cruising to drop it off. This is my last ride in this bad boy, and I've been enjoying it. You know, I never really had this thing in track mode a lot. I had it in track mode earlier, doing a lot of little pulls and stuff like that. But very enjoyable SUV. If you had the money to get any SUV, I mean, of course you're gonna get the Urus or the Ferrari truck if you can afford it. You might even get the Cullinan. But if I'm talking about enough money to afford the average car, like the average guy affording, would you get your Hellcat Durango? Would you get your TRX, or you gonna get you the Escalade V? What's the other one, y'all? What's another one? Or the Audi RSQ8? Which one you getting? You can't lose with any one of them. I'm going with the Durango. That's what I would go with. But the Audi does catch my eye. I'm not gonna lie. The second one I would choose would be the Audi, because that thing is sharp. That ain't nothing but a baby Urus. But yeah, don't get it twisted, y'all. I'm not hating on the Durango. That's not why I'm getting rid of it. That's not because I don't like it. I love it. But I don't love it enough to keep it. And I gotta lead by example. I cannot be having this super expensive SUV and telling y'all not to get nothing, like get something that's expensive. We trying to save money now, y'all. We trying to do the right thing. We trying to make decisions that's best for us in the future. Save some money on. That's all. We want to save a little cash. Save a few little ducats. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Ain't nothing wrong with trying to save a little bit of money. And in order for y'all to follow me and to be the leader werewolf that I am, I gotta lead by example. But trust me, I'm not gonna let you down. The vehicle that you gonna see me get is like $20,000 cheaper than this vehicle right here. But you gonna be like, man, T-Light, you did that, boy. You did that, King Werewolf Light. You did that. Yes, sir. And you gonna love it. I'm excited about it. I found this spec. It took me a whole long time to find this spec because I've been looking at them for a while. Man, I'm excited. Meet me in the comments and let me know what y'all think I'm about to get. What am I about to get? What do y'all think T-Light is about to spend his money on? Since he's getting rid of the Durango Hellcat, what possibly could he be getting? Meet me in the comments and let me know, do you know what I'm getting? And if you guess it in the comments, I might even say, you're right. But then again, I might not. But I want to see if somebody can guess it. And anybody that guess it, I'm just going to probably screenshot your names or shot you out in the next video for guessing the right thing, man. But I love the Durango. Great vehicle, as you can see. Wonderful vehicle. Red guts. Fully loaded. Got the TVs in it. Hold on. Got the nice screen in it. Flat bottom steering wheel. Got your pedal shifters. Got your digital dash in the middle. It looks like it's digital. It looks like the whole thing is digital dash, but actually it's just digital in the middle. I mean, it's everything you could want in an SUV. A family man's SUV. Instead of having to get a minivan if you're a father, a couple of kids, you can get you an SUV that's cool and that can carry your kids around safely, and they gonna be like, daddy is the coolest daddy because he got a Hellcat. So yeah, it's a wonderful vehicle, y'all. But with that being said, I got to slide on up out of here. I got to pay attention to the road. I got to pay attention. I got to try to make it to this destination because, as you know, I had to work today. I did 500 miles in the semi. Now I'm out here doing some more miles, trying to take this thing and get rid of it. But T-Light, did you make money on it? Nah, I didn't make no money on it. I'm breaking even, so it is what it is. I ain't make no money, so it is what it is. But I'm happy though. I can't wait for y'all to see this new vehicle. Y'all gonna be like, ain't no way. Ain't no way you did this, T-Light. You gonna love it though. But with that being said, I'm gonna slide on up out of here. Man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I said like, comment, subscribe, hit that hype button, hype me up. Let YouTube know that I should be one of the top YouTubers on YouTube. Let YouTube know they tripping out by not sharing my videos like they should. Let YouTube know the Werewolf Pack deserve to be on top. And also, I love you. I gotta say it. I love you. Let me leave y'all with some positivity. You don't gotta follow the Joneses. You don't gotta follow the Joneses. You don't have to be one of the popular kids. You can sway and go another way. You don't gotta stick to the box. You can go outside of the box. You can go outside of the box. It's better off being yourself. Stop being the followers. If you ain't got it, don't worry about it. Your time gonna come. You ain't gotta rush and try to get it. Life is a wonderful life if you don't put heavy pressure on yourself, unnecessary pressure. It's always cool to have a little pressure and keep you on your toes, but no unnecessary pressure. Stop trying to impress women. Why? Stop trying to impress men. Why? Why are you trying to impress them? What are you getting out of it? It doesn't matter if, okay, you got a Hellcat. What's gonna happen? Within 2 days or 2 weeks, it's just gonna be T-Light in the Hellcat. That's T-Light in the Hellcat. There ain't no oohs and ahs. The oohs and ahs are gone within the first couple of days. And the new car love, it runs out within the first 2 weeks. I'm just telling you. New shoes, they become old shoes. New cars become old cars. New house becomes an old house. And so forth and so forth. As well as yourself. You was new at one time. You was a baby. You ain't a baby no more. Your ass ain't new. But hey, what I'm trying to say is, just live your life, you know. Life is a beautiful thing. You just got to know how to live it. And you got to live it the right way. It's okay to make mistakes. We all going to make mistakes. Don't get it twisted. The person that tell you he ain't made no mistakes, he ain't lived life. Or she, they ain't never lived no life. I never made no mistakes. You're a liar and you ain't lived no life. We ain't doing none of that. Not over here in the Werewolf Pack. But with that being said, I got to slide on the body here, y'all. I'm going to pay attention to the road. But I got to say this. I love you. I love you, Werewolf Pack. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for being there for me. Thank you for, accepting me as me. I know I'm loud. I'm crazy. Hell, I'm bipolar. And y'all still accept me. I can't read. Y'all still accept me. I'm loud and obnoxious. Y'all still accept me. That's why I love y'all, man. The Werewolf Pack is the realest pack on YouTube. We the realest crew on YouTube because we accept all. We don't judge. We just love, And I appreciate y'all for always being there for me. Shout out to everybody that sent me prayers up for Bear. That was my best friend. Like I said, I had him for 17 years. He was a min pen. Best friend you could ever have. Hurt my heart that he had to leave, but listen here. He died in my arms. He waited for me to get home. And when I made it home, laid him on my chest, I told him he could leave, and he died. That's not forever, we'll meet again. But he was tired. I knew he was tired. So I told him he could go. You tired, you can go. I appreciate y'all showing him love. He didn't know y'all didn't know him. But I'm pretty sure he felt the love, because I sure felt it. Shout out to King Bear. And shout out to y'all for showing love to King Bear. And with that being said, I'm going to slide up out of here. The next video going to be litty. I love y'all, man. Peace.